Okay, so we're gonna keep some space. Personally, I like to ride on the left side of cars, or the right side. If I'm in the right lane, I ride on the left side of cars. Basically, I'm always closer to the middle. Okay, the reason for that is I don't want to get pushed into the curb. Okay, in the event something happens, I don't want to get pushed into the curb. Stuff happens. I don't like being near the curb when cars could come out. I know cars can't come out of here, but I'm just, as a general rule, I just try to follow all my stuff. Okay, in that situation, I actually just screwed up because I'm in second gear still, but that's okay. If you ever start in second gear, what do? You just hold the clutch a little bit longer and you rev the bike higher, but you're doing everything slow, so it's not a big aggressive rev on motorcycles. Okay, and this is for beginners. Okay, you don't want to do anything fast. Everything can be done slow and controlled. Slow and control is how you avoid big mistakes. Okay, the more you try and be fast on a bike, the quicker you're going to end up making a mistake, because your timing's not going to be right, especially as a new rider, and that's okay. That's normal. You're good. You are good. All right, so we're going 3rd and 37. This feels underpowered for what we're doing, so I'm going to roll off the throttle. I'm going to add in a little bit, and I'm back down in 2nd. Okay, nice easy gear shift down, coming to a stop. I'm actually going to go down to 1st, right? And the way we shift, we've gone over this, but let's do it again. You pull in the clutch right here on my left hand, you push down on the shifter, you add in throttle as you're releasing the clutch back out.